So in this video I'm going to be talking about how to remove noise from an audio sample. So I have a bass sample here that has a lot of extra noise to it, and I'm just going to show you how to clean that up a little bit, make it sound good. This may or may not be the one I'm thinking of. Oh yeah, that's definitely the one. If you can't hear, whoops, my bad. If you can't hear the background noise in this sample, you'll probably have to grab a set of headphones and listen to it there. But if you do listen with headphones, you'll for sure hear all of the background noise and everything in it. So I'll show you how I do this. First thing I do is I open up my sample here, double click it, and go to the waveform, edit in audio editor, and that'll open up Edison here. And then what you do when you're in here is you go here and click cleanup, denoise. Sorry. Alright, so now we acquire noise profile. Oh, sorry, I screwed that up. First, you want to click and highlight the area of your sample that is just the noise you want to remove, like this. That's just the staticky noise that I want to remove, and then you click denoise and acquire noise profile. And then what that does is that detects the noise that you want to remove, and then you can highlight the rest of your sample, and then you click denoise again, and then you want to make sure denoiser is on, and you have all these settings here, threshold, amount, but for the most part you won't need to adjust anything. You just have to make sure denoiser is on. So now we can preview. That sounds way better. That is way better. So now I click accept. Perfect. And now to send this back to your either channel rack or channel rack, you want to make sure that you're clicked on the sample you want to replace right here, and then you right click back in Edison, go to tools, send to selected channel, and that will replace the one that you're highlighted on here in your channel rack. So now we've removed that staticky sound and cleaned up the audio sample. So that's basically it. It's pretty simple. As long as you follow these steps, it shouldn't be a problem. Yeah, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, definitely smash that like button. Leave a comment, let me know what you guys want to see next, and hit subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Peace.